Hi, everybody. Today I'm talking to you about your video for Who is American Today. So at this point, you should have your script. You should have your script recording as an MP3, and you should also have your title slide that says Who is American Today and your slide that has your name. So if you've got all these things, you are ready. Even if you don't, you can kind of start. So the first thing we're going to do is get into Adobe Express. So to get to Adobe Express, you first sign into Clever, and you may be able to click on my little avatar of my face and get to this to where it has Adobe Express right here. If not, you can search Adobe, Adobe, and it should come up, single sign-on Adobe Express. You click on that. When you click on that, it will sign you in to Adobe Express. Anything you do in Adobe Express, just like in Google Drive or any of the Google apps, it will save automatically. So you don't have to worry about that. And anything will be right over here in your stuff. So I have made a few videos, but if you haven't started yet, you click Make a Video. And up here in the corner, just like in Google Drawing and Google Slides, it'll have the name of your thing. Right now it's just untitled and it has the date. So you want to name that your name. So I'm going to name mine Neville. And then your bell. I'm just going to put 4 here. That's my planning bell. And next you can see we've got a page here. This is that page. So there's one scene in here. So from here, what I'm going to do is I need to put in my title animations, but I have a problem with that. And the problem is that if you've downloaded them, they're not in the right file format. So what you're going to do is you're just going to go into Echo, and I'll just pick a random class here. So you're going to go into Echo and find your um, title animation. And what you're going to do is there'll be a little window where you can pop it out. So wherever you turned it in, let me find somebody's that's turned in here. Let's go to Teacher App. I think I can view as student. Let's go to Student App. Oh, let's go to Teacher App. Okay, so you should be able to, like, here's an animation right here. You should be able to pop this out in the little window. There'll be a little pop out thing. And then you can just click these little dots and click download, and it'll download as an MP3. So I'm going to just go ahead and download this one so you can see. And now I can go to I can go back into Neville 4 here, and I can upload this. So it downloaded it as an MP3, MP4, sorry, MP4 for video, MP3 for audio. So I go to Media over here on the left. I click Videos, Upload from Device, and should be right there. I'm going to go ahead and upload my, is this my one here? Oh. So once I get it downloaded, there it is right there. So now I'm going to click open that up. And there it is. Once I get it in here, I got to scoot it over because you always want to cover the page and stretch it to fit. All right, and you can see that's 7.5 seconds it says down there. Right now, the total of my video right here is 7 seconds. Remember, your video needs to you need to try to make it between 2 and 3 minutes. So I click Add Scene, and now I'm going to upload my my video of my name. So now I just go upload video from device, and I get my one that's my name. So give me a second to find it because it's been a minute. Put the name. Oh, here it is. So I put my name in. Now that I got both of those in there, and that one filled up. So now that I got both of those in there, I start adding the stuff in between, and also my audio. So to get my audio, um, you can download it if you put it into Echo, straight into Echo. You can download it from there. If not, you should have an MP3 of it. If your file is an AIF file, you can search in Google AIF to MP3 convert, and you can convert it and download it. But I'm going to go ahead and upload my audio from the device here. So let me find my Neville audio. There it is. Well, this is a different. There we go, Mr. Neville. And I click open. And this blue line underneath is my audio. You can see that my audio right now isn't as long as it should be. It's only 26 seconds the length of the video. So what I want to do now is I'm going to click add, and I add stuff in between. And I want to add the things that I'm talking about. So I might want to listen with headphones. And if I'm talking about technology, maybe I want to type in cell phone. And let's see, cell phone. So maybe I'm talking about cell phones. And I put in this one of this person on a cell phone. I still have to make sure that it fits the whole area. So I click and drag it to fill. So as you can see, that's right there. And then I add more. So let's say I want to put in a video. And I want to put in a video of, let's say, cell phones again. This old lady, this person using their cell phone. So I just drag and drop. I got a new scene right there. It's filled up. But I don't want it quite 15 seconds. I want to keep it like probably about 8 seconds. Maybe about 7. Because I don't want it too long. You don't want video scenes to be too long. So I grab it and drag it. You can see that my audio filled. So I want to do this until it has all of my audio. Then at the end, there's two things you need to do on your uh, name. So one is you're going to add text. So over here is text. So I click text. I'm going to add text, and you can use any of these little things. I'll use this one that says Mark, and I'm going to just click on where it says Mark, and I'm going to change that to made. Oh, whoops. Let's select all, and I'm going to make it, let's see, M made, and then enter, and I'm going to do by. And I don't want it that big. I want it to fit in the little thing. So I'm going to have it say made by about that big. I can grab it and move it over. Now it's going to say made by, but I don't want it over all of my animations. So I'm going to take it. I'm going to put it right up here in the corner. Maybe make it just a little bit smaller. And so it'll say made by. Let's play it. It'll say made by. You can hear my stuff going on there. All right. And then also, you might want to add a scene at the end where you just put the end. Okay, so I'm just going to put in this hi, I'm Skylar. I'm going to take out the hi, I'm, and I'm just going to double click on that and put the end. And that's the ending slide. So the last thing you're going to do is at the end here, we're going to add our ADAP logo. So this ADAP logo is on the assignment right here. So you're going to add this slideshow at the end. This is, of course, the ADAP logo animation, and that'll be on the assignment. Once you finish, let's get out of this. Once you finish uploading that and you've got all of your pictures, once again, make sure the pictures aren't too big and that that they're not too long and that they go with what you're saying. Okay, whatever you're saying, you want to think of each sentence that you say as like at least 2 pictures. Okay, so you can look at your script, figure out what type of pictures you want in each part, and fill it up that way. Okay, at the end, then you will download this as an MP4, and then you will upload it to the assignment in Echo. Okay, all right, well, thank you so much, and good luck with everything. This is due on Friday, so make sure you are working hard in class. You got time to get it done. All right. Thank you very much, and we will see you next time.